Meaning of Gwynedd.
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 Gwynedd. Gwynedd is a region in northwestern Wales, known for its rugged terrain and stunning natural beauty. The name Gwynedd is believed to originate from the Welsh words Gwyn, meaning white or blessed, and Ed, meaning district or territory. This region was once home to the ancient Celtic kingdom of Gwynedd, which played an important role in Welsh history. Today, Gwynedd is a popular tourist destination, offering visitors the chance to explore its breathtaking scenery, historical landmarks, and vibrant culture. With its rich heritage and captivating landscapes, Gwynedd is a truly special place.